We expressing this love that we carry inside of us through relationship to our mother, to father, partner, to our kids, right? To colleagues, to friends, and each of this relationship is very important in the sense that all our issues are, I can say, accumulated in these relationships. All our karma is accumulated there. So relationship is meant to grow. If you do not grow through this relationship, then it is falling apart. That's why we're losing friends, that's why we're losing partners, or that's why new people coming into our life, because other relationships, we could not grow any longer in these relationships. You see, that's how thing is things are in this universe, because this universe is based on the love. It's not based on fighting, believe me. It's not based on conflict. It's not based on misunderstanding and judging and disappointments, hurt and trauma. It is based on love.